Yo guys, so we're back at another one today. We're gonna work on some signs. We're gonna get them hooked up. We don't got a whole lot of calls today, but we're definitely gonna get at it. We finna head to the first job. Man, why does it, I know I'm looking dead at the camera, but it shows my eyeballs like that way, and it's just so weird. I don't know, am I looking at it now? It's so weird. Anyways, so we finna get to the first job. It's called Green something. Anyways, we'll see when you get there. Yo, all right, so we made it to our first location. It's a smoothie place called Pure Green, and they give me a free smoothie too for showing up and working on their sign. How cool is that? Look at this. Free smoothie. Being a good guy comes in handy, right? See who?
He was here. The guy with the shirt.
Where'd he go?
He went to the sports games.
I think he just came out of there.
Yeah. He got something from his car and then went back.
Oh man, I was too busy talking to myself.
I didn't know what to do. I was like, should I say something?
Yeah, you should have, but it's okay. Maybe he'll be done in a minute since he's just getting a haircut.
Yeah. It all depends on the weight.
Yeah, I don't know how long he's been here before I got here.
Right.
Yeah.
I should have told him something.
It's okay. I ain't leaving until y'all get on, man. No, we're gonna get y'all fixed up good and right, man. Yes, sir. All right, so yeah, so I got a free smoothie, and we're gonna get his sign on. So I'm just waiting on some cars to move so I can back my big old truck in here. So yeah, we're gonna get it right. Oh, yep. Let's wait on these cars to move, and I'll see you in the air. Hi. All right, so we got the sign up and running. They had some electrical issues. The electrician actually disconnected the box on the inside, so they was never working from the beginning. So we got them up and running, and now we're gonna head over to the next job. See you there. Yo! So we made it to our second location. It's Marco's Pizza. So they say their sign ain't working at all. Only one letter is. So we're gonna get these people to move, and we're gonna get up there to look at that sign. Hopefully it's something simple. Let's get it. All right, so I just had to talking to the manager about their sign there. They've already had somebody come out and take a look at it and get them taken care of. So, score for me. I don't got to do no work here. So I guess I can head to my last call for the day. But yeah, if y'all ever in Memphis, man, check them out. They got good pizza. Let's get on to the next one. All right, we're at site number 3. Big 3. And it's a physical therapy sign up there. Up there. And it just ain't working. So we're gonna hop up there and give it our best shot, you know. When in doubt, figure it out. We're gonna get up there. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do the darn thing. I think I'm gonna set y'all up. I'm gonna set y'all up real good so y'all can see. I don't know what's wrong with it, so you never know, you know. You just never know. It could be old, because if you look up there, it looks really old. See if you can see. Falling apart. It looks really old. So. Oh. So yeah, we're gonna get up there and we're gonna get it done. Let's get it. Hey, and that's it. All we had to do is change the power supply in there, so it wasn't bad at all. Score for me, another easy one. And so that's it for today. Man, I really appreciate you guys watching the videos, man, and showing love and support for this. And I definitely got some more off-grid stuff coming soon. As soon as I get this land, I'll be able to get all kinds of stuff done, man, and get so much more content out there. And I really appreciate the love and support, man. Everybody showing me. If you are watching my videos, I appreciate that more than you ever know. And if you're not, if you're just kind of seeing this video and you watch it to the end, make sure you go watch that next video and subscribe to the next one. Luckey Tribe out.